She's smart. She's really good at math. Yep, because she's beautiful and kind. She's helpful, like a lot. Because she's the best. Right. Hi.
Having a student apprentice has been so special for our classroom. Miss Tay is a great person to come in the classroom. She makes great relationships with students, and the students really look up to her and are excited for her to be here.
Miss Melissa has been a great addition to our classroom. I broke my arm at the beginning of the year, so having someone to come in early and help cut and make copies when I couldn't do it was truly incredible.
It's awesome because we're able to do small group and we're able to do one-on-one, and our apprentices are actually trained. She's able to come in and give them that extra support, and it makes a world of difference.
I've noticed that since the program began, I've seen an increase in my student achievement, and I know that's because of the help of the apprentices and the support that they get.
Our kids get to work with their older brothers and sisters, so to speak.
In the morning, I line up with them and I ask them questions like, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite animal? And I like building connections with them because when I see them, they're always like, Miss Milo. So it's really sweet. Miss Milo helps me learn to have fun and helping me, telling what to do. I forgot.
One thing I've learned as an apprentice is being able to adapt to the kids' learning style.
She actually does shows work, doesn't just tell the answer. She's helped me with my multiplication fact and stuff that I need to work on. I understand the subject, but she makes me understand on a different level. And most of the times I've been struggling with math, and without her, I would have been still stuck on page 1.
I have learned a lot of classroom management, which I feel like is one of the most important things when you want to be a teacher.
She laughs a lot, so she always brings a positive energy.
I've enjoyed my little kids, honestly, remembering all their names, remembering their favorite things, their families.
I like about Miss Nora, she always helps new students learn and we never get tests wrong.
It's been really good. Everyone's really supportive, all the teachers are really nice. I really enjoyed connecting with the students and seeing them grow, even socially.
We would play games and she would explain.
Overall, just growing up with them is a really beautiful experience that I love doing every day.
I'm pretty sure she will be an awesome teacher to many kids and to others who need her help. Because she is also fun and she's a good teacher to help kids know when she grows up. I hope she becomes a teacher because she's really great.
Yes, I think she's going to be a fabulous teacher, and I think this program definitely allows students to get into the actual setting of a classroom to find their strengths before they get going into the actual education program when they go off to college.
Yes. Thank you.